Interior light won't go out. And like there's a switch on the turn signal, fucking lever that you can turn the interior light on. That is in the off position. When you open each one of the doors, it says, door, passenger's door open, driver's door open. When you open the tailgate, it says that the tailgate's open, all on the dash. So I would say them switches are all working. But the interior lights, all of them, they will not go the fuck out.
How long has this been going on for?
It's just today. I just put $2,000 in this thing today. I did all the struts, fucking shocks, fucking alignment for tires, everything, and now this. I did have, one of the tire sensors replaced today, and someone said, "Oh, well, when they program that might do something." I don't know.
I think it's either you have a switch bank lower and you have a switch bank upper, which I believe it's in the steering column. I think you have two different switches, and those switches send a signal over to your instrument cluster, and then your instrument cluster powers up your interior lights. So what you could try to do is, if you disconnect the battery cables from the battery and rub the cables together for 5 minutes, that'll discharge the capacitors inside all the modules.
Okay, I'll try that.
Now, if that might work. If it doesn't work, either one of those switches that we talked about, or maybe even the instrument cluster could be faulty and may need to be replaced. At that point, you'll have to bring it to a shop so a technician can take a look at it.
I'm definitely going to try that. I already took the negative off just so that fucking things ain't staying on right now, Like I said, I just put $2,000 in this fucking thing today, and now this. I'm fucking aggravated. Oh, my God.
Sure, I bet.
I can't even imagine. I'm fucking aggravated,
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, you bet. You're welcome.
I hope it fucking works, man.
Good luck, okay?
All right.
Bye-bye.